In front of me is Motorola Razr 70 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. First of all, you need to open Settings and scroll to choose Personalize. Now click on Fonts over here. Tap on the one you wanna apply and go back to check it out. You can test all of them the same way. If you ever want to go back to the default, just go back to the same section, scroll all the way down and hit default one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!